Interty is a tool created by and for IP professionals, linking our firms 24 hours a day, 365 days per year, and available throughout the world. Source of IP reliable information and documents of foreign jurisdictions to meet your clients' needs. It is a secure worldwide network that allows IP law firms to share 100% reliable information and obtain immediate, reliable, and precise quotations. Association is made up of highly reputable IP law firms sharing a common aim, being more efficient by saving time and money. It originates from the need to address the weak point of IP firms, the significant coordination workload created when our clients require services in different jurisdictions and the impossibility of charging them for the time spent locating a reliable agent and preparing a quotation. To that end, we have created a secure IP network throughout the world, which saves time, costs, and effort, and improves the service quality offered to our clients. This last point is the key to our success, as it is the personalized, high-quality service which our clients expect of us. Forces in this venture, we have made this possible by changing the way we work, and have so achieved this privileged position in the market. Created an exclusive and a private global network of reliable agents sharing a tailor-made working tool, Interty, which is an intranet to upload and share all kinds of IP-related materials, such as forms, powers of attorney, requirements, procedures, fees, etc. Is only a click away and permanently updated by IP-specialized attorneys in each jurisdiction. Direct access to any information needed by our clients, and therefore eliminates time wasted waiting for a response from the associates. Association's greatest advantages is the sharp reduction in service costs, which enables Interty's members to offer cost-efficient and more competitive fees than other law firms outside the network. Reducing fees is an excellent way to compete against non-members while keeping our main goal, excellence. It greatly simplifies paralegal tasks and relieves administrative workload, enabling your team to invest time on strategy and business development. Simple and intuitive tool, and only requires preferably the latest version of a web browser. Besides, the whole platform has been developed through the responsive design technology, and therefore the contents adapt to tablets and smartphones and make use easier. Our organization saves time not only for the client but also for us. By creating Interty, we have gained permanent and easier access to all necessary IP materials of all the jurisdictions represented in our organization, and the possibility of directly contacting reliable professional associates who can be counted on to give the best advice and solutions to our clients.